Greenext produces Cosmos Certified Organic and Natural Extract, NOP Certified Organic Essential Oil, and Organic Hidrosol in its factory in Torbalı'da, İzmir, which exists for the sustainable success of success chain stakeholders by feeding on R&D and innovation. Greenext controls the process from seed to delivery of the product by contract farming with our stakeholder farmers. Thanks to Greenext, farmers who want to keep the quality and yield of their crops at the highest level are able to grow good crops and continue to maximize their commercial earnings. Greenext produces standardized products with sustainable and planned supply. Makes a difference with organic certified extracts and organic certified complex products. Greenext, for your sustainable success. Manufacturer of standardized organic and natural extracts.